Okay, so welcome to our part 4. Okay, so this will be the part 4 of our introduction to statics of rigid bodies. Okay, so this time, okay, so nalaman na natin yung basic definition ng statics. Okay, so na-discuss na rin natin kung ano yung kinalaman ng statics sa ano sa pinag-aaralan natin. Okay, so sa ating course, ano yung relationship niya with the Newton's law of motion, ano yung relationship niya with other branches of mechanics, okay, so which is in which the mechanics itself is a part of physics. Okay, so alam natin na itong subject natin is a specific, okay, is a specific branch of physics. Okay, so it is a branch of mechanics, okay, which in turns, the mechanics itself is a branch of physics, okay. So here, today, we will discuss yung mga, i-discuss natin yung mga units na gagamitin natin, okay. So, para sa lesson natin, marami tayong units na gagamitin, okay. So, depende yan. So, meron tayong SI, which means international standards, and then we have the US customary. Okay. So first, for length, okay? Pwede tayong gumamit ng millimeter or meter. Okay? So ito yung pinaka-common na gagamitin natin. Okay? So for SI units. Okay? So meron pang iba like centimeter, decameter, but those terms were not really commonly used. So this two is more commonly used in international standards. For US customary, yung kadalasan ginagamit dito is, okay, so feet, no, meron pang mas maliit sa feet, inches. So this is the suffix, the short of inches. We have feet and we have miles. Here, in contrast sa miles, yung ginagamit natin dito is kilometer. Okay? So, we go to another unit. Okay? Sa temperature. So, dito, sa SI units, yung madalas ginagamit is degree Celsius at Kelvin. Okay? Okay, so this is Kelvin class, Kelvin. This is the spelling of Kelvin. Okay. Then, sa US customary, we have degree Fahrenheit and okay, usually dito to, okay? Sorry. To a degree. At meron din tayong Rankine. Okay? Okay, so ano yung, okay, so maybe, okay, so i-review natin yung mga relationships nila, okay? So, when it comes to conversion, for example, dito tayo magsimula sa length. Yung conversions is, alam naman natin, so, okay? So, 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters, okay? We have 1 meter is equivalent to 1,000 mm. Then, how to convert, okay? So, your 1 feet is equivalent, okay? So, this is just a review. So, 1 feet is equivalent to 12 inch. And then, your 1 mile, okay? Baka hindi nyo pa to alam, 5,280 feet. So, yan yung 1 mile. And then, what if we need to convert from SI to US customary? Okay? So, simply lang. This. Okay? So, just remember that 1 inch, okay, is equivalent to 25.4 millimeters. Or equivalent to 0.0254 meters. Okay? And then, your, okay, so we have a conversion, 1 feet, 1 feet is equivalent to 3.283 meters. Okay, so maybe I will just put it approximately. Okay, okay, so this is not, this is accurate only to 3 decimal places. But somehow, if we do it the other way around, we say 1 meter is equivalent to, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, baliktad class. Okay, sorry. So we say 1 meter is equivalent to 3.283 feet. In return, your 1 feet, okay, sorry. I stand corrected. So your 1 feet is equivalent to, in terms of meters, so you is equivalent to 0.3048 meters. Okay, so this is exact. And this is approximate. Okay. So, okay. So that is for unit of length. Okay? Marami pa yan. Okay? So, ito lang ang diniscuss ko, ito yung mga common. So, when it comes to temperature, okay? So, just a simple conversion. For example, you need degree centigrade to degree Fahrenheit. Please remember that in order to get that, your degree centigrade is equivalent to 5/9 times degree Fahrenheit minus 32. And in return, yung degree Fahrenheit mo, makukompute mo using this formula. Okay? And then the relationship with Kelvin and Rankine. Okay? So yung, para makita mo yung unit in Kelvin, dapat yung degree centigrade mo, adan mo lang ng 273.15. Yan, nakuha mo na yung equivalent niya. And for Rankine, gamitin mo yung degree Fahrenheit, mag-add ka lang ng 460. Makukuha mo na yung sagot mo. Yan, yan yung mga conversions ng length at saka ng temperature. Okay, so another thing, okay, so we review ano yung common na ginagamit natin sa mass. Okay, dito tayo sa mass. Okay, so sa mass, okay, we can use kilograms. Okay, the most common is kilogram in SI. And then for US customary, it is libra. Or libra, okay, libra or pounds. Kilograms, pounds, or libra, okay? Okay. So, okay. So, since this is just a review, okay? So, I will erase this one, okay? So, anyway, pwede nyo since video ito, pwede nyo ulitin yung video. And then, i-playback nyo kung saan nyo gusto i-playback, okay? Yung video na to, okay? So, I will erase this one, okay? So, we say that 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2046 pounds. Okay, approximately to 4 decimal places. And in return, 1 libra is equivalent to 0.4536. Also in kilogram. Okay, so this is just an approximation. Okay. So that is for mass, okay? The conversion of mass. And then we have, okay, doon tayo sa force. Okay, pataas tayo. Force. Yung madalas ginagamit sa SI is Newton or kilonewton. Dito naman sa US customary, yung madalas ginagamit is, okay, pounds pa rin. Okay? Pwede rin to tawagin na Libra force. Okay? Okay, pounds pa din. Baka nagtataka kayo, bakit? Anong kaibahan? Okay? Anong kaibahan ng pounds na ginagamit sa mass at ng pounds na ginagamit sa force sa US customary? Okay? So, itong force na, ang pounds na to is more commonly or more accurately depicted as Libra force. Ibig sabihin, okay, so it is simply, okay, it is simply 1 Libra of mass multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity here on Earth, which is okay, so please remember this. Okay, so your G is usually 9.81 meter per second squared, and your or equivalent to 32.17 meter squared. Okay, so itong libra na to, 1 libra, you multiplied by G, or which is equivalent to 32.17. Yung ibang libro tinuturo 32.2. Ito 9.8, pero okay. So this is feet pala, feet. Feet per second squared. Okay? So magiging 1 libra force siya. Usually may ibang ano ito. Tinatawag din siyang slugs. 1 slug. Pero ito ano to? Hindi to common. Usually, ito yung ginagamit or ito lang. Just simply like this. Then, meron pang isa. Kips. Okay? So, yung isang kip, equivalent yan sa 1,000 okay, 1,000 libra of force. Okay? But somehow, sa libro minsan, ang ibig sabihin minsan sa libro, okay, sa mga tanong dito sa statics book, minsan yung sabihin natin na sinabi na force is 1,000 libra. Ibig sabihin, yung libra or your pounds na gagamitin natin is in form of force na, hindi na siya mass, okay? Meron kasing 1,000 libra force or force of 1,000 libra. So, it means ito. 1 lbf, okay? So, ito rin din kips. Pwede siyang, it may refer to weight, to mass. It can also refer to weight or force that is applied. So therefore, okay, so please be aware of that, okay? So we'll continue. Okay, so I will erase this one, okay? Kayo na lang bahala mag-replay kung saan hindi nyo masyadong naintindihan. So meron tayong okay, meron tayong okay, so lagyan ko muna SI-US customary. Okay. So one thing siguro is pressure. Okay. Pressure or stress. Yan. Ano yung common na ginagamit? Sa SI, gumagamit tayo ng pascals, kilopascals, megapascals. Sa US customary, yung madalas ginagamit is pounds per square inch, Okay? Or libra per square inch. And then, libra per square foot. Okay? So, yung libra per inch is also called, okay, PSI. Pwede natin tawagin ito na PSI. Okay? So, maybe hindi ko muna ano to, so, para malinawan tayo. Okay, no? So, pwede rin, PSI. Other for this is PSF. Okay? Pwede rin kips per square inch or kips per square foot. Okay. So, discuss natin yung pagkakaiba nila. So, yung basically, ito. Tandaan nyo yung 1 Pascal is equivalent to 1 Newton per meter squared. Yan. Ito yung unit. Ito yung Pascal sa SI. Then, if you convert, okay, 1 kilopascals is equivalent to, logically, from the word kilo, so 1,000 pascals. And then, yung isa is 1 megapascals, which is equivalent to 1,000 kilopascals or 10 to the power of 6 or 1 million pascals. So, ayan. Sa SI pa lang yan. So, dito, baka malito kayo. Usually, yung 1 pounds per square inch is equivalent yan to 1 PSI. Pareho lang sila na unit na ito. Okay? So, this is one term. This is the other term. Also, yung 1 pound per square foot, okay, 1 pound per square foot is equivalent to, pwede natin sa pangalanan as 1 PSF, okay? Pounds per square foot. O pwede. Okay, so we have 1 kip. Okay, so wala to. Okay. Pag marami na, pag medyo malaki na, in plural term, we can use kips per square inch or kips per foot square, pero pwede ka nito. Okay? 1 kip per square inch is equivalent to 1,000 libra per inch or PSI. Yan. Yung 1 kip per square foot is equivalent to 1,000 pounds per square foot. So, ganyan. Okay. And then, so paano ba i-convert yung pascals at kilopascals? Okay? So, from this, okay? Okay? So, you can convert first from Newton to pounds and then from meters to inches or feet squared. Okay? So, this can be converted into another. Okay? So, you can actually Google it yourself. Okay? So, this is how, okay, it works. Now, okay? So, we will erase this one. So, we have the unit of weight. Okay? So, para hindi kayo malito. Okay? So, yung weight nyo, hindi yung, okay? So, madalas kasi nag-interchange itong weight saka yung mass. Nung nasa elementary, siguro tayo, okay? So, what is your weight? So, you weigh 50 kilograms. But in physics, in statics, or, okay? So, in any physics subject, yung weight natin, yung mass, i-convert mo muna sa force. Okay? By multiplying your mass times the acceleration due to gravity. Okay? So, yung makuha mo Parang force lang din, okay? Same as force. Your weight is actually a form of force. So, it is in Newton, in kilonewton, okay? Libra force, or you can use Libra only, okay? Depending on the context class or of the question, these are interchangeable, okay? So, mostly, wala na tong Libra force. Libra lang, okay? So, it can denote mass, force, or weight. But somehow, okay? So, please beware of the context. Na minsan, pag nabasa mo yung problem, force ba to, mass ba to, or weight? Okay? So, yan. So, please remember that weight itself is a form of force. Okay? So, here, we have another term. Okay? So, we have a term for, so ano pa ba? Pressure, stress, work. Okay, so work. Okay. So ano ba ang mga units na madalas ginagamit sa work? Kapag SI, yung madalas gamitin, I guess is, okay, joules. Or J. Okay? Madalas gamitin ito is J. So, ano yung ibig sabihin ng J? Ang J niyan is joules. Yan. Ito sa US customary, ang madalas ginagamit, libra times feet. Libra, inch, or pounds, foot, pounds, inch. Okay? So, yung gagamitin mo dito na pounds is in terms of weight or force. Okay? Kung force siya, hinihila siya, so, libra, foot. Okay? Or pound, foot, and pound, inch. Okay? So, please remember, okay? So, ganito lang yung, pwede rin siyang, okay? Libra foot, libra inch, keep foot, keep inch. Yan. Okay? So, please do remember the units. Okay? Please remember that 1 joule is equivalent to 1 Newton meter. Okay? So, instead of using joules, minsan gumagamit yung libro ng Newton meter. Yan. Okay? So, same. Ang ibig sabihin kasi ng keep is kilopounds. So, ibig sabihin 1,000 pounds. Kaya, ibig sabihin yung 1 keep foot is equivalent to 1,000 libra foot. Okay? So, same as 1 keep inch. It's equivalent to 1,000 pounds inch. Okay, so ganyan. Yung work, unit ng work. Meron pa class, okay? So maybe I will erase this one. Okay? So ulitin nyo na lang kung hindi nyo nasabayan. Okay? So this is a review for our units. Okay? So meron tayong ibang units dito. Okay? So we have we have the term moment. Okay? Couple. Okay, so this is for moment, couple, and torque. Okay? So technically speaking, pareho sila ng unit nitong work. But somehow kapag, okay, Kapag work kasi, may force and then may distance kung saan siya na-displace. Pero dito sa moment ko, pull up torque, posible nagro-rotate lang siya. Okay? So these three terms we will be discussed as we go on with our subject matter. But somehow, please take note, pareho sila nito. Kaya lang, hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung joules. You can use only Newton meter or kilonewton meter. Okay? So, for US customary, the same as this. You can use libra foot, libra inch, or pound foot, or pound inch, and keep foot, and keep inch. Yan. Pareho lang sila ng unit ng work. Kaya lang, hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung joules kapag nag-compute ka ng moment, couple, of torque. Okay? So, that's a big no. Okay? Okay? So, may I erase this one? Okay? Kasi hindi na kasya. Okay? So, another units we use in this subject is, okay? So, in terms siguro of, okay, ano pa? Work, tapos na yung work. Work in terms of time. Work divided time is equivalent to power. Okay. So, we all know what is power. Your power, okay, so your power is equivalent to work over time, which is equivalent to force times velocity. Okay? And in turn, your work is equivalent to force times displacement. Okay? Lagi niyo yung tandaan. So, this is just a review. Okay? So, ano ba yung common unit na ginagamit sa SI? Yung ginagamit sa SI class is, pwede mo siyang tawaging joules pag force. So, watt. Okay? Yung watt, okay? Yung 1 watt is equivalent to, pwede yung 1 Newton meter per second. Ganyan yung watt. Then sa US customary, yung ginagamit usually is pound foot per second, pound inch per second, then pwede din keep foot per second, pwede keep inch per second, pwede ring horsepower. Okay? So please remember, okay? Na yung 1, okay? Please remember this class, ha? 1 horsepower, okay, is equivalent to 550 libra inch ay libra foot per second. In return, your war, okay, so this is HP or horsepower. So 1 horsepower is approximately equal to 745.7 watts. Okay, yan. Yan yung mga units na gagamitin natin. Okay, so maybe marami pang iba. Okay, so if you are aware of certain conversions, okay, so please study this. Okay, please memorize this if possible. Okay, familiarize. Okay, so paano mo i-convert yung 1 watt into libra foot per second? Okay, so you convert it into Newton meter per second. And please beware that this libra, okay, this libra or pound is equivalent to, okay? So, meron pa akong isang kwan. So, please remember that 1 Newton is equivalent to 4, okay, pounds. Okay? So please don't forget this conversion, okay? So these are the units, okay? So these are the units that to be used in our subject matter, okay? So for statics of rigid bodies, okay? So ito yung mga units na gagamitin natin, whether as standard international or US customary.